Here's how to sign into YouTube TV on your TV. To get started, just make sure that you have YouTube TV installed on your smart TV or streaming device. You specifically need to have the YouTube TV app and not just regular YouTube. So we'll go ahead and open it up. When you open it up for the first time, it's going to look something like this. It's going to ask you if you want to try out YouTube TV. For this video, I'm already going to assume that you've signed up for YouTube TV and created an account. If you don't have an account yet, just click on Try It Free. But for this video, I'm going to scroll up and select Member Sign In. Once you select that, you should see these directions pop up. What you want to do is hop on your phone or your computer and open up a web browser. Then you want to search for tv.youtube.com/start just like this. Next, you want to enter in the code that you see right next to Step 2 on your TV. You don't have to worry about typing in all those dashes, you can just type in the letters. Once you enter in that code successfully, you can then choose what Google account to sign in with. You'll want to allow YouTube TV to access your Google account. Then as soon as you click on Allow, you should be signed into YouTube TV back on your TV. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.